Hey everybody, and welcome to Dad's Farmalls. Today we're going to do actually a very easy job. We need to clean out our sediment bowl, as well as we're going to change the gasket and the screen on it. If you don't know where the sediment bowl is, it's right down here, and that's where you turn your gas on and off. It's actually easier to get to it from the left side here. Like I said, the first thing we did was we turned the gas off on the other side. Now there's a screw on the bottom of the bowl, and we're just going to loosen that up. And as I'm loosening that, I'm also kind of pushing up on our jar a little bit to keep it in there. And then we can just slide that out and pull our jar down. Take it out. As you can see, it's full of junk, so we're gonna dump that out. We'll get her cleaned out. I just take a paper towel and clean them out real good. I've seen people do it different ways. But just want to make sure all that dirt's out of there. So now that we got this off, I'll set that up there for a minute. There's also a screen and a gasket that goes in there. The screen's got a hole in the middle of it, and you can just reach up and grab that old one, pull it down. Here's that old screen. A lot of dirt and junk. Set that there for now. Make sure I got the gasket out of there. Gasket's an old rubber gasket. Looks like it's kind of come out in parts. I want to make sure we get all of that out. This gasket's been in there since 1965. Let's see how much more we got. That's out. We got a little bit over here. We want to make sure we get all of it out so we got a good seal with our new gasket. I think that's just about all of it. There we go. This little piece. All right. So now that we got the old gasket out, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our screen, put our finger over the hole, and then just reach up in there and find that post in the middle. And then once we find it, we can just take it and push it up and on. And then for our gasket, we're just going to take our gasket, set it on top. Yeah, here, get it this way. Set the gasket on top, slide her in there like that. Yeah, looks like she's cheaper on this side. got her gasket in there. Now we can just put her bowl there. And then these fit in from the top. Slide it back under. Tighten it back up. Make sure she's tight enough against the gasket. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to turn our gas back on and see if we got it sealed in there good enough. And if I got her in there right, then I won't have gas pouring off over the sides. Yep, she's on there good. Gasket's working good. Like I said, pretty easy job. You can get the gaskets and the screens from tmtractor.com. That's where I got mine. And there you have it. If you like what you've been seeing, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to have more, and we're going to be introducing you to a 48 here in just a little bit. So stay tuned.